In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Spotify Desktop Premium for students. To begin, open your browser and go to Google, then search for Spotify. From the search results, click on the official Spotify web player page labeled Spotify Web Player Music for Everyone. This makes sure you're heading to the official site before choosing your plan. Once the Spotify page loads, look for the option that says Explore Premium and click it. This will take you to Spotify's Premium section where you can compare the available subscription options. On that page, click View All Plans so you can see every premium choice, including the student offer. Next, choose the student plan. After selecting it, click the button that says Try 2 months. Offers can vary by region or time, but in this case, you'll continue with the student trial being shown on screen. You'll then be taken to the account confirmation page. Before moving forward, make sure you've selected the correct Spotify account since the student discount will be attached to that specific account. Once you've confirmed that everything looks right, click Continue. Now you'll arrive at the student verification form. This is where Spotify, through its verification partner, checks whether you're eligible for the student plan. Start by entering the required information on the form. Select your country from the drop-down menu, then type in your school name carefully so it matches your institution as closely as possible. After that, enter your first name and last name, then provide your date of birth and your email address. Take a moment to double-check everything before submitting, especially your school name and email, since small errors can sometimes slow down the verification process. When the form is complete, check the box that gives consent for the use of your information. This is required to allow the verification process to continue. Then click Verify My Student Status. At this point, you'll need to wait for the verification result. In some cases, approval only takes a few minutes, while for others it can take several days depending on the school and any supporting records required. Once you're approved, choose your payment method and complete the subscription. After that, open the Spotify desktop app and log in using the same Spotify account you used during verification. Your premium student benefits should activate automatically. Just keep in mind a few important requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, currently enrolled in an accredited college or university, and your school must be supported by the verification system. Also, student pricing is typically available for up to 4 years, with re-verification required every 12 months.